In digital banking, you can move money from one account to another. Let's get started. In the menu, click Transfer. To initiate a transfer, first select the account you want to move money from and what account you want to move money to. You can transfer money to and from internal accounts and external accounts. For external accounts, select the More icon in the upper right corner. Tap Add External Account and follow the prompts to do so. Enter the amount of the transfer. Choose if you want to do a one-time transfer or scheduled transfer. Note, if you are using an external account, these options will be a little different. Once you've entered the information, review it one last time before confirming. To view, edit, and delete upcoming scheduled transfers, select Scheduled Transfers. To edit a transfer, select the transfer and hit the Edit Transfer button. You can edit the amount and start date of a scheduled transfer. You can also cancel the next transfer date of a scheduled transfer by selecting the Cancel Next Payment button. To delete a scheduled transfer completely, select Delete Scheduled Transfer.